Okay, so to solve this problem you are seeing on the screen, and so you can see that this is just a system of equation which you are expected to solve, and what we are just going to do is to make one of the variables the subject in each of the equations. And so I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do that. But as we proceed in the video, anytime you start getting value in the video, just give the video a thumb up, and of course subscribe to the channel. Okay, so having said that, we're going to proceed right away. And so from the first equation there, we can make x the subject of the formula, which we're going to be having that our x is going to be equal to 5 minus 2y. Okay, and then of course we can name this equation 1, and then from the second equation there we can have that our y will be equal to 8 minus 2z. Okay, of course we can also name this equation 2, and then from the third equation we can have that our z is equal to 11 minus 2u. Okay, we can also call this equation 3. And then from the fourth equation we can have that our u is equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay, so this is our equation 4. So what do we do again? Now you can see that we have an expression for y here, we have an expression for z, and we also have an expression for u. So what we're going to do now is we want to carry this expression and substitute for y in equation 1. Okay, so we write substituting in equation 1. So what we are just going to be having is x, which is equal to 5 minus 2y. So we replace y with 8 minus 2z. And if we expand this, if we simplify this, what we are going to be having is 5 minus, opening the bracket, we have 16 plus 4z. Okay, and of course simplifying this further, this is now minus 11 plus 4z. But if you look at these equations here, we actually have an expression for z, which is our equation number 3. So what we are going to do right away is just to also go ahead and then substitute for z in this new equation that we've got right here. And so doing that, what we are going to be having is, okay, we can just write put 3 in the new equation. Okay, in the new equation, and of course when we do that, what we are now going to be having is that our x becomes minus 11 plus 4 into our z is 11 minus 2u. Okay, now simplifying further, this is minus 11 plus, if you multiply through the bracket, you're going to be having 44 minus 8u. Okay, simplifying further, this will also give you 33 minus 8u. Okay, and of course you can also see that we have an expression for u. So what we're going to do is we also carry u and put in the same equation. So we can put equation 4 in equation 1. Of course, you know that the new expression for our equation 1 is actually this. So what we're going to be having is that our x now becomes equal to 33 minus 8 into, putting the value of u there, we have 6 minus 2x. Okay, so here we can just expand, and what we're going to be having is 33 minus 48 plus 2. Okay, 8 times 2 is actually going to give 16x. So simplifying further, our x now becomes 15, and of course plus 16x. Okay, now what we're going to do, and okay, this is actually minus 15. Okay, so what we're going to do next is just to go ahead and then take this 15 to this side, and of course when we do that, we are going to be having that our x will be equal to 1. Okay, so we've gotten that our value of x is 1. So what we are just going to do now is just to go ahead and start substituting the value of x. Okay, and of course we can put the value of x in our equation 4. Okay, put x equals 1 in equation 4. Okay, and of course our equation 4 is u to be equal to 6 minus 2x. So putting the value of x, we have that our u becomes 2. 6 minus 2 times 1, which is actually going to give us 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, now that we've gotten our u, we can put the value of u in our equation 3 right here. So we say put u equals 4 in equation 3. Okay, and that's, we are going to be having that our z is equal to 11 minus 2u, and our u here is just 4. Okay, simplifying for that, this is 11 minus 8, and that's actually going to give us 3. Okay, now finally we are going to be getting our y. So to get our y, just say put z equals to 3 in equation 2. Okay, so doing that, we have that our y will now be equal to 8 minus 2z, and our z here is just 3, and that's going to give us 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Okay, so we are now having that therefore our x is equal to 1, our y is equal to 2, and then our z is equal to 3, and our u is equal to 4. So this is what we have to be our final answer. And of course, if you have enjoyed the video, kindly give this video a thumb up and also subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks, and see you in my next video. Bye.